Hello, good people. In this video, I will show how you can create cool animation of images and text using simple transition effect. Let's see how to create this opening slide. To start with, I have few pictures of different water activities. You can make the images of different size equally in multiple ways. First, draw a square and set equal height and width. Align the image and the square. Select the image first, then hold on to your control key and click on the square. Go up to the shape format menu, select merge shapes and click intersect. It's that easy. The other option is to align the image and your square. Select the image and from the picture format menu, select crop and crop the image to the size of the box. After you make the images of equal size, you need to align them neatly. One quick way to do that is to create a square and align it to the center and middle of the slide. Now, align the images to the four corners of the square. You may remove the box later and add desired text and place it in the center of the slide. You may also put a background picture as I did. Let's see how to make this slide transition animation. Select the slide and press Ctrl D to duplicate it. I created few boxes to identify the placement of the images. Let's resize the images to match the box size and in the desired design format. Don't think about how to animate the images now. That's the easiest part. Feel free to mix up the images. The more the change in position of the images, the animation looks cool. Once you place all the images in the boxes, delete those blue boxes. Either you may select the images and send it back or use selection panel to delete those boxes. Once the images and the text are placed in the right place, it's time to animate them. From the transition menu, select Morph. The PowerPoint will take care of animating the images and text. I told you the animation is the easiest part. Now, using the same method, we will see how to do this animation with additional images. First, let's copy these four images to the next slide and mix up the position of the images and let the big box match the title kayaking. Once the images are positioned, remove the blue boxes. Now, copy the images from this slide to the previous slide. The key here is to move these images outside the visible area of the slide. I'm going to move the kayak image down, the backdrop to the side, the text above. Then go to the next slide and set the transition as morph. Click the preview and see for yourself. Isn't it amazing? Repeat the same for the rest of the slides and you have a great presentation to impress your audience. I hope you had a great time watching the video and learning cool animation. Slap that subscribe button and notification icon to get notified of new videos. See you in another video. Bye from your designer by